Drew McHone with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm at my latest listing at 998 Monserate Avenue in Chula Vista. This home is paired with Belching Beaver's Phantom Bride IPA, which is a collaboration with and named after the Deftones song, The Phantom Bride. If you like the Deftones and you like this beer, you're probably not like me because you're probably very creative and artistic. And if that's the case, you're gonna love this house. This beer was brewed for the creative types that have that artistic flair, and this house ties in lots of creative, artistic flair throughout the home. As you go throughout the home, you'll see various murals, and each different room has its own theme. In addition to that, it's got a huge layout that you're sure to enjoy. In addition to being very creative, this beer is also incredibly complex. It's a bright IPA that also has strong hints of floral notes as well as pine and citrus all mixed in together. And if you like this complex beer, you're gonna love this complex house. This house could be great for a whole bunch of different types of people. For one, it's a 5-bedroom home with an ADU and a detached garage. So if you have a large family, lots of kids, or maybe you have intergenerational living all in one house, this house is perfect. In addition to that, you could buy it if you're an investor, whether you want to live in the main house and rent out the ADU, or maybe you want to rent out the main house, live in the ADU, and have somebody else pay off your entire mortgage for you. Also, if you're looking to house hack, this is the perfect house for it. You could rent out the ADU and bring in roommates for each one of the 5 bedrooms, and you'll be paying probably nothing or even getting paid to own this house. So, no matter what you're looking for, this house has something for everybody, just like this beer. I'm Drew McHone with the Whissel Realty Group. I'm here at 998 Monserate Avenue, and I've paired it with Belching Beaver's Phantom Bride IPA. If you're interested in touring this house, drop a comment below or shoot me a DM.